Manufacturing is exciting. Manufacturing is making things. Talon Products has been an award-winning, high-growth manufacturing company in Cleveland since 1986. Have you ever wanted to work with a robot? Well, that is just one of the positions that you can apply for right now. We have opportunities all over our plant. Working for Talon Products gets you great pay, great benefits like health insurance, 401k, and more. No experience? No problem. We train our team members. If you have experience, all the better. We are looking for people on both first and second shift, and we offer flexibility. Our factory is conveniently located in the Collinwood neighborhood, easy to get to. We have one of the safest factories in America. We offer opportunities for advancement. Many of our managers started out running machines on our factory floor. Apply today and join our team at Talon Products.